Get an app for your church or faith group on One. Install One Business app. Enter your mobile number and verify OTP. Select Faith and Prayer app in the list of options you see. Set up and publish the app. The applets section here gives you all the features you need. Now, you can invite your members to join your app. Click on Users button below to invite your members. Click on Admin in the User section to invite people who will help you manage the app. Save time and engage meaningfully with your church, faith or prayer group members.